Got a very unique bridge here on the way to Dearborn, Michigan for today's famous grave video. We made it to Dearborn, Michigan. It was settled in 1786. And this is where the iconic George Peppard grew up. Today we're at the Northview Cemetery here in Dearborn, Michigan. And we're here to find George William Peppard. He grew up in the middle class and he was the youngest of 3 children. As a child, he was very artistic and creative, and from a young age, he started acting in plays in high school. After high school, he would move to New York and have success on Broadway. George Peppard would eventually move to Hollywood and would become a household leading man after landing the role of writer Paul Varjak, the love interest of the beautiful Audrey Hepburn in the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's.
My name is Paul Varjak, and I love you.
Let me go.
Not till we get this settled.
And here's his grave, right here. George Peppard. Born 1928, died 1994 from pneumonia. Somewhere between the 70s and 80s, Peppard's career would shift from film to TV, which brings us to what I knew him best for, and that was the disguise-wearing, cigar-smoking, confident smirk, iconic leader of the A-Team, Colonel John Hannibal Smith, alongside with Murdoch and Face, and of course B.A. Baracus, played by the I Pity the Fool, Mr. T. Now unfortunately, George Peppard was a heavy smoker and ended up battling cancer. He continued acting after the A-Team ended in 1987, but passed away in Los Angeles on May 8, 1994, at the age of 65 from pneumonia. His final TV role came on the show Matlock in 1994. Rest in peace, George Peppard. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the A-Team. Dun 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 dun. I figured for George Peppard, I would leave this A-Team van that was driven by B.A. Baracus. I'm also going to leave my U2 magnet. If you come and visit George Peppard, feel free to take my magnet, but leave the A-Team van for George Peppard. All right, well that's gonna do it. And until we meet again, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.